How to fix WhatsApp download failed on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp download failed on Android phone. First go to settings and then scroll down until you find here apps and then click apps again, and and now just type here WhatsApp, and here click storage, clear cache, and then go to permissions, enable storage. This one maybe you'll find it like that. Just click storage and allow it, and that's it. Now just click for stop and go back, try again, and your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.